What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Paul Lloyd here, and we've got a bit of a tutorial video today. Nothing major, don't worry. But we've got the WiiU Gamepad, which by now I've had the Wii U for 3 years. The battery in the back there is absolutely dead. I've got to have it always on charge. So I bought myself a little battery pack. It's got 66% more power. It'll give up to 6 hours play on a full charge, which is excellent. I know that it's white, but I'm not really interested. If it's the wrong colour, it doesn't really matter to me. It was nice and cheap on Amazon. Links down in the description. So, get the box open. Now, the beauty of this thing, we don't need the instructions. Read that if it doesn't work. The beauty of this thing is it comes with a little screwdriver, as you can see right there. Now, you'll need this little screwdriver to undo the 2 screws. There's a screw there, there's a screw there. It's that simple to get the back off the back of the gamepad. So once you've got the 2 screws undone, the back cover just falls out, dead easy. Now the battery there, again, that just pulls out from the bottom, then clips out. The cable is on a little plug which pulls out, simple. And there's the old battery. So we're going to recycle that, dispose of it properly, all that stuff that you meant to say on a video. Now this is one unit. It's got a battery and a case all in one. It's got a little lever there, open and close. As you can see there, open and close. Now that engages this little plug, if you can see there. So you need it in the open position, so the plug is down, slides into the top, pushes down, and then before you tighten these screws, you need to make sure that that plug is engaged. You'll feel it click in, nice little firm push. Now that that plug is in, we can do the 2 screws up. So you don't want to do the 2 screws before you try and push that plug up, because it needs just a bit of movement just to engage the plug. That's all tight, screwdriver's done with. So now hold the power button, get the little blue light. WiiU Gamepad is turned on, as you can see, and there you have it. Nice little simple tutorial, dead easy. Bring a lot of new life back into your gamepad. Make sure you give it a full charge before you use it. Make sure it's fully charged, ready to go. And thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this sort of quick snap video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Got a few more tutorials and things like that on the way. Press the bell, all that sort of stuff. Leave your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye bye.